today we're going to talk about just how much time it takes to get ready for your exam. Long story short, it depends on what you already know, on what range you're already scoring in, on how much time you have per day, per week, per month to study. But once each of those factors is addressed, you can be pretty confident in your estimation of the amount of time you'll need. That said, you should plan for at least a month. Anything less, and between your various commitments to school and work and friends and extracurriculars, you'll not have the time to verify how ready you are or how much your studying has really helped. Unless you've recently taken the exam and already have your score, the first step is to take a diagnostic. Grab the latest officially released exam, both College Board and ACT post them on their websites, and set aside a few hours to take it under exam conditions. This means taking the whole exam timed and in one sitting, with only brief breaks between sections. That might sound like overkill, but the less like test day your diagnostic is, the less like your scores are going to be. Score your exam using the provided document and compare that score to the target. So take a look at how many points shy of your goal you are and where you lost most of those points, remembering that the math is generally the easiest section to improve, followed by writing or English, then science, then reading. If you're off by more than 100 points in a given section, consider dedicating at least 30 hours of practice time to that section. How long it takes you to get those hours depends a lot on your schedule. With a bit more than an hour per day for a month, you'll be there even while taking a day off every week, which is really recommended to help with retention. But if you're looking to improve multiple sections, or if you can only practice a few days a week, you may need to take 3 or more months to get where you really want to be. Make sure your practice is heavily emphasizing working on questions just like the ones you'll see on the exam, rather than only on strategy or in-person or video lectures. Now, no matter the path you decide to take another diagnostic test every couple weeks to make sure that your progress is still improving, to gauge how effective your practice is, and to get yourself just that little bit more comfortable with the exam format. And if you're not sure where to find that sort of practice, UWorld includes thousands of questions, score predicting diagnostic tests, and thorough explanations for every type of question you'll find on the real exam.